Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain. For the past several days, Vechain is moving inside this down channel, and while moving to the downside inside this down channel, recently we have broken down this uptrend line support as well. That was previously working as a support here. Then we had another bounce from this support here, and recently we got several bounces from this support, but finally we have broken it down. And after the breakdown, you can see that this trend line is now flipped into a resistance, and the price line rejected by this resistance here and still moving inside this channel on this daily time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. And so far from this low to here, you can see that Algorand has rallied more than 290% but could not break out this resistance of 5.2 cents that has been previously working as a support here, and now for the past several weeks it is working as a resistance. And I would also like to show you another very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that Algorand has broken out, and now it can work as a very nice support. And this EMA 21 is another very strong resistance that Algorand is right now trying to break out this red line. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Algorand that I shared in the month of June 2022 with my members, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for 1 inch, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 20th of May 2024, almost 2 days ago. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my long-term trade signal for Vechain that I shared on 1st of June 2022 with my members. And this caused a a big harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that Vechain formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a quite long-term trade signal on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, still it is in play. If I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is geared up from this long-term support of 2.3 cents, but still moving inside this potential reversal zone. And I'm expecting that soon it will hit this sell target zone. By the way, the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartler move is starting from 14.82 and goes to 23.42 cents. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. Then here you can see that for the past several days, Vechain is moving inside this down channel. By the way, while moving to the downside inside this channel, we have recently broken down this quite long-term uptrend line support as well. Then, therefore, now this support can, in fact, it is breaking as a resistance after the breakdown. And once the price line will be able to break out this channel, then again it can work as a resistance. You can see that after the breakdown, the price line got bounced from the support of the channel but got rejected by this uptrend line resistance. And this time it is moving between the resistance and support of this channel. And in case of breaking down the support of the channel, the target to the downside will be here, approximately at this long-term support of 2.3 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 5.4 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this resistance of 5.2 cents as well. But again, we will still need to break out this uptrend line resistance that was previously breaking as a support here, and support here. And now it can again work as a resistance. On the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this very massive resistance of very big falling wedge pattern. And in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very massive and long-term rally. And you can see that that rally has just begun. Now we need to break out this long-term resistance of 5.2 cents. You can see that for the past several weeks, the price line is getting rejected by this resistance again and again. And in order to continue this rally now, we will need to break it out. But before that, we will need to break out this resistance of 4.4 cents, and then we can reach this resistance of 5.2 cents. By the way, this 4.4 cents had been previously breaking as support here for several weeks, and now again it can work as a resistance for the price line. We have also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, and you can see that the cloud is now flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, now it can also work as a very nice support. This time the cloud is slightly moved up here. For example, if the price line will be dropped down here, then it can test a cloud somewhere here, approximately at 2.8 cents. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target for the breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 28 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.